We will be taking you through the journey of updating or editing your profile as a student. First off, you will start by signing into your account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, on your left-hand corner, you will see a circle with a picture as well as a pencil icon. The pencil icon represents edit or update your profile. You will click on this icon, and it will take you to a page with your details. You will see edit profile, personal details, contact details, medical aid details, and course details. When you click on the arrows, you will see a drop-down of the details that you have so far filled in. On your top left corner again, if you have once uploaded your profile picture, you will be able to see it. You can then go back to the center of the page and click the camera icon to upload your profile picture. Click on Choose a File, and it will direct you where you will be able to select a picture that you would like to upload. Please note that it is advisable to use a picture of yourself. You will then see a pop-up that your picture has been uploaded successfully. Once you have uploaded the picture, you can then click on Edit Profile, and you will be able to see all the fields that you have filled in and the ones that are missing. When you fill in your details, except your name, since you can have more than one name, please do make sure to leave no spaces before, between, or even after the details you have filled in. Once you do that, the system throws an error, and therefore will not update until you have corrected the error. As soon as you are done with a section, you can click Next, and there will be a pop-up at the top which states that your information has been updated successfully. You can update all details on your profile, except for your campus of study. If you have selected the wrong campus, you are advised to email us, and we will assist in correcting the campus of study. Do this for all the sections, and once you are done, you can return to home.